See, in 61st problem, uh, we have to find the value of a. No, yeah. Find the value of a such that fx has local minimum at x equal to 2. You can see that from this I have f of 2 value. What is f of 2? F of 2 is 1. So right side it's anyways it's going, if this is 2, right side it is going from 1. It's going like that. This is the point 2 comma 1. Now I want f to have minimum at 2. That means left side I don't want the function go like this. If it goes like this, then in a neighborhood of 2 I won't be having minimum at 2. So instead, this is not how I want. Instead, I want, when I draw the function, I want the function to stop above this level. If it stops above this level, then you can see that, say it stopped like this, then you can say that I have minimum at 2, that which is 1. So left side, you can see that that function is again a straight line. Slope is -1. It is a degree 1. We know that it is straight line degree 1. This one. And coefficient of x is -1. It is y equal to mx plus c form. And therefore you can see that it is a decreasing function. It decreases. So actually we want it to come like that. You can see that the left limit, now if I take the left limit at 2, I'll have it as a square minus 9a minus 9. I want this to be more than or equal to 1. So this is if and only if a square minus 9a minus 10 greater than or equal to 0. So this is nothing but a minus 10 into a plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So this is if and only if a belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 10 to infinity. But he gave that a is positive, and therefore I cannot have this as part of the solution set. So only this is the answer, and that is why B is the answer. Coming to 62, he gave delta is equal to a square minus of b minus c whole square, which is nothing but a minus b plus c into a plus b minus c after factorizing. We know that this is nothing but 2 times of s minus b. This is 2 times of s minus c. So from this I am getting s minus b into s minus c by delta is equal to 1 by 4. That means tan a by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. He asked us to find tan a. Now use the formula 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Substitute tan a by 2 value in this, you'll get what you want. For 63, it's a direct one from Cauchy mean value theorem, because as both f and g are differentiable functions, therefore I can find a c in this interval such that g dash of c by f dash of c is equal to g of 1 minus g of 0 by f of 1 minus f of 0. So I get g dash of c by f dash of c is equal to, he gives, simply substitute the values there. G of 1 he gave 2, minus g of 0 0 by f of 1 is 6 and f of 0 2, and so you are getting 2 times g dash of c is equal to f dash of c. And the 64th problem, we have a bird sitting on the top of a vertical pole of 20 meters height, and on the ground from a point O, the angle of elevation is found to be 45 degrees. It flies off horizontally straight away from the point O, horizontally away from O. That's why not this side, not this side, it is that side. After 1 second, the elevation of the bird, say after 1 second it is here, the bird is here, and the elevation is found to be 30 degrees. That is 30 degrees. So it is obvious that this is 90, this is 45, so this is also 45. You have isosceles triangle, therefore this is 20. Okay, and this is the distance traveled by the bird in 1 second. So speed of the bird means basically he asked for this distance only, directly. That's the magnitude. So you can see that this is 20 now. Now if I name it as Mn and this as PQ, now I have ON is equal to H cot, H is 20 here, 20 cot 30 degrees, and OQ is already 20. What all you need is NQ, which is nothing but ON minus OQ, which is, this is 20 cot 30 is root 3, so it is 20 times root 3 minus 1, you'll get, substituting and simplifying. You have the answer there. Coming to 65, you see, you first go for sine theta into sine, this is 60 degrees plus theta, into sine 60 degrees minus theta. This is sine theta into, I apply the formula here, so it is sine square A minus sine square B. So it is sine theta into, this is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine square theta. Taking LCM, I'll have it as sine theta into 3 minus 4 sine square theta by 4. Sending sine theta inside the bracket, you can see that numerator is sine 3 theta by 4. Similarly, you can prove that cos theta into cos 60 plus theta into cos 60 minus theta equal to 1 by 4 times cos 3 theta. So if I call this as 1 and this as 2, 1 by 2 will give you your answer.